Hey, good day everyone. We are at Premier RV Sales and Service, Junction City, Oregon. And yes, it is almost the middle of July of the Deuce 22. You may ask, why is Brian back at Premier? I thought he left. Well, I did, but I'm gonna be truthful. I've done a couple coach inspections here. And yeah, just check their webpage, see what they've got. But what I found today, I've known this coach for a little while, is a bath and a half. Yep, a bath and a half with a cat 6 1/4 in it. So let's go inside and take a look at this after we do the quick outside. I'll bust these bays open. We'll get you the quick outside tour. Then we'll go inside and show you the rest of this. All right, here we go. Bay doors are all open. Let's get you a tour of these bays real quick. First, we'll stop here. Big O 315s on the front of these. Fuel access, top of fuel tank, and some HWH stuff. Bay 1 here is going to have full all the way across, and then you'll have all the way across here with a slide tray, and then you'll have all the way again here across for 3 pass-through bays with slide trays, 6 lifeline AGM batteries, engine start batteries, 4 group 31s, and then we'll make our way back. It'll be 315s again, 315s again, engine access here, hydraulic reservoir, auxiliary onboard oil, diagnostic ports to plug in the laptop for the engine guys, and then like I said, cat 6 1/4 back here, lots of horsepower, really nice unit. And then we'll give you the quick tour down the other side. We got some background noise with some buffers and stuff, so I'll get us inside here kind of quickly. Right here, you're gonna have your full plumbing bay with all your stainless, Country Coach logo, turd grinder, macerator pump, be able to pump that uphill, gravity fill there, be able to do and sanitize your tanks. And then here, all your control switches for everything. Inside here, water pump and a few other things. Real black and gray tank flush. Location to be able to store your stinky slinky. And then large aqua hot bay here. And then you're gonna actually on the top even have that central vac. And then your control board over here on the left. Then you'll have here, full pass through. And then full pass through, full pass through. Propane tank, nice small one, only has cooktop to run off on it. And then front run box, full generator slide mask, and then the beautiful front end. So 6 1/4, 35,000 miles, basically 45 footer. Asking price of $269. And let's get away from that background noise and go inside. All right, so we're inside. Beautiful front view here. Gonna have that pop-up TV over here on the left, but we'll get started here in the cockpit area. So nice driver's compartment area here. Got that Caterpillar transmission in there. I've had really good luck with those. Power toll window here on the left side. New Kenwood display here on the dash. Full vehicle silver leaf system here. As you can see, that'll pop on there. Some house stuff. And then you get some drive stuff. And so on and so forth. So beautiful coach up here in the driver's compartment area. Seats are in really good shape. I'll be 100% transparent. There's a tiny bit of wear on that seat right there in the very bottom. But before we go all the way back in the back, let's just give you a few views through here. Let's just see the ceiling and floors. there's your quick little tour of the coach. I'm sure I've missed a couple lights to turn on and whatnot. I know for sure that I missed the map lights up in there in front. But what I really liked about this coach, and I wanted to make sure I got the world a video of this for the future, is this nice pop-up TV over here with that dinette there instead of some other seating arrangement. It's just, if you don't have a lot of people, you got this chair here, then you got this nice couch over here. You can even flip this seat around, and you've got this beautiful TV. Another nice part about it too is if you want the TV down, it's got bread style doors. So those bread box style doors, then you can actually have the TV in the down position and still see it. I really like that. I'm going to go as far as to say also that this is my favorite Corian or solid surface that we ever did use at Country Coach. I just like the pattern. It'd be beautiful to have that over here again. You do. Got a few light bulbs that are being changed out in here, so I want to apologize for the trim rings. Like as I said, you guys kind of saw how I do this. If you watched any amount of videos, I might get in here a little quicker than the detail departments or before they're all getting cleaned up. But beautiful galley here, nice large storage up here, coma cabinet with all the glasses in it, another storage over here. Down here on the very bottom, you're going to have storage also. Got that pull-out trash. And then you'll have some drawers here. The cutting board, as you may have heard me say before, that'll actually pull out of there, and then you can put your ironing board in there. So it gives you a nice place if you want to iron up some clothes. You do got this spot here for your scrub daddies. Looks like we even got some rubber gloves in here. We've got some storage down here, auto turn on lights. So that covers your kind of galley area. Excuse me there. Cooktop storage location. As you can see, they're all in this location, so that makes it a little different than usual. Usually I've got them on the counters there, and then some more storage aft. IntelliTech lighting system. Get these closed up. So beautiful coach. That covers the front of it. So that'll kind of cover this front area of it. Sorry about that little cut. I just wanted to grab my flashlight so I could get you a little more light if I had anything that was dark. Let's go ahead and turn this toilet room light on. Got the Tecma turd grinder toilet there. Fantastic fart fan up there on the ceiling. Nice 110 volt lighting there. Nice cabinet inside of here for storage. Little mini blind here on this side to be able to give you some privacy. Full residential refrigerator. Pull outs just after that. More pull outs here. Fantastic fan here midship. That'd be your controller for it. So now we'll make our way back into the bedroom area here. Right here you're going to have 110 volt fuse panels and 12 volt fuse panels. IntelliTech override switches are going to be located here because it's a bath and a half compared to the other product where they're in the back bedroom. Alright, so that would be those two cabinets. Now this upper is going to have a few more things in it. Going to have your silver leaf total coach control system here. As you can see, we've got the generator on here. We've got some amps drawn there. Got the inverters both right there. And we've got the tank monitors, pumps, even the bay temperature right there. And then some auto gen functions. And then back to the generator. Air conditioner controller, floor heat controller. Plug to be able to hook up a computer to talk to this. And then some rear controls back here. TV in the back. Nice stock location. We've got the vacuum hose here for the central vacuum system. Power blinds in the bedroom here, so you can simply just press two buttons. It'll come up. Now that'll be the same in the very front of the coach also. All automated blinds. So that's going to be that. You've got some storage here, and then 4 large drawers there. Another storage there with some shelves, and then audio video equipment up here across the top. Satellite location, and then the rear audio video system. Quick thing, I said it in the other bath and a half, But there's another guy that makes a bath and a half. They're still in business. But if you need to get to the plumbing for the bottom of the shower, you have to take the tag axle tire off. Country Coach, simply pop these screws out. This piece of wainscot pulls back. You can get to the drain. Mixing valves and everything, you simply just take this mirror off the wall, and there's the back of the shower mixing valves and everything. So really elementary, being able to keep the RV technician in the coach, working on that stuff. The other manufacturer, you actually have to pull the tag axle tire and then take some sheet metal off to be able to get to that P-trap. It's a very sad scenario. I know that because I was the tech that got called to it. But anyway, that was enough of the technical sides of these videos. Let's get back to this beauty. Hey, let's see about these pocket doors. See if we can find some mirrors, just in case you're getting all glamored up in the evening. Hey, there we go. See, I thought we'd have one. Looks like like I said, I beat the detail department in here again. They got a little bit of mirrors to clean up here, but no big deal. I think I'm going to take a quick second, pause this video after I get done, and open all these cabinets. All right, boom, bada, there we go. Cabinets are all open. I thought I'd give you a display. These all open to the same depth. Just thought I'd show them staggered. Got a bar up there across the top, so you got about 12 inches of bar length there. And then all the shelves, fully adjustable. So you could take them out and do the bar, or leave them as be. Overhead storage across the top of the bed. Overhead storage again across the top of the bed. Beautiful large headboard here. Nice large king-size mattress. Those drawers that I didn't have open earlier. I think we'll head back to the bathroom now. On our way back here, we're going to find stacked washer dryers. And then we've got our cabinet here, getting us into the rear closet. The extra chairs, the factory safe. Nice long 6 foot of bar space there, so you got about 7 total. The ironing board, as you can see, plywood base, a little bit narrower, so that's why that gets to go in there where that cutting board is. Nice little option to have that ironing board, in my personal opinion. Full rear bathroom, of course, here. Come in, turn on these extra lights, so you got those extra vanity lights there. And then nice large mirrors. Nice deep counter, be able to put some things across the very back. Little mini blind. Turd grinder toilet again to be able to pump that up to the tanks. Nice large shower enclosure, as it kind of showed you earlier, to be able to get to that mixing valve, what have you in there. Fantastic fan there again. Beautiful coach, nice woodwork. Looks like they got the floor heat set on 90. That might be why it's a little warm in here. All right, that's what I've got. Beautiful coach, 2008 Country Coach, bath and a half. We'll go find you, I think this is a Donatello, if I remember correctly. Where is the name? Yes, a Donatello, 45 foot. A lot of people asked about these weight tags. They want me to pause on it. So there you go, gross vehicle weights and so on and so forth. Coach number 6916. And then all your original serial number data. So, all right, didn't want to miss those points for you guys that are kind of techies. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I enjoyed being able to come out here and see Louie and the guys and all the great technicians that work here that I used to work with. And it's just nice to be on great neutral grounds. So everyone, I hope you're all having a great day. Check out Premier RV Sales and Service, Junction City, Oregon, if you're looking for a great quality used coach. I'm going to have to be 100% truthful with on that. And take that time to subscribe, please. I really appreciate everybody that has. I love the growth of the channel. And I just can't express how much of great joy it is to be able to do this time to time. So thanks again, everyone. Till next time. Bye-bye.